Before watching this video, please follow Axley's EAS's warnings on not being a dumbass. This EAS video is meant for entertainment purposes only. Also, this video contains valid EAS tones that, if put on the air or is misused, will trigger a real EAS activation, which will cause confusion, widespread panic, and in some cases, PTSD, which is a mental disorder that causes anxiety, depression, irritability, outbursts of anger, and in some cases, suicidal thoughts. Also, if you somehow start a real EAS activation, the police will be informed, and you could get fines up to $2,000 or $1 million, or 5 years of imprisonment. This video may have content that may not be suitable for kids under the age of 13. Also, if you watch this video, and you're under 13, I don't want to be the reason why you're crying at 3 a.m. This video may contain flashing lights, loud noises, and scary sounds, such as the EAS activation sound, and sirens. These loud noises may cause hearing damage. Moreover, the flashing lights may cause seizures. For those with photosensitive epilepsy, the content contained in this EAS video may scare or overwhelm people or kids. For those with ADHD or autism spectrum disorder, if your child has a seizure, take them to the hospital immediately. If left untreated, the seizures may cause the following: short or long-term brain damage, strokes, cognitive decline, and death. Do not distribute my videos whole, as it is forbidden. This video is the property of Axley's EAS. Unauthorized reproduction or re-uploading my video without permission can result in legal action, such as a copyright strike from the Digital Millennium Copyright Act. Be safe, stay healthy, and remember, don't be a dumbass. With that out of the way, enjoy the video.
Hello everyone, this is WSVN News, serving the Miami area with health, sports, traffic, events and entertainment. In sports, the Miami Dolphins are playing against the Pittsburgh Steelers. The game will begin at 7:30 p.m. to 9:45 p.m. In weather, there will be sunny skies for the entire week. This is your news provider, Daniel, signing off.
The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. Recently, the National Aeronautics and Space Administration has discovered a mysterious hole outside of our universe. This hole is extremely far away from our universe. Do not panic. To repeat, do not panic, as panicking will only make the situation worse. The nature of this mysterious hole is not known at this time. The National Aeronautics and Space Administration is working to hopefully find out what this hole is. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. The hole that was discovered outside of the universe 3 hours ago has been confirmed to be an extremely large and dangerous black hole. This extremely large and dangerous black hole has somehow appeared outside of our universe, and is currently traveling faster than the speed of light. But luckily this hole is extremely far from the universe. This black hole is stronger than both Sagittarius A and D3ATH, which are two supermassive black holes. Still not much information is known about this deadly black hole. Please stay tuned to local media outlets for further information on this developing situation. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. The President of the United States, or one of his designated representatives, will be delivering a message over the emergency alert system shortly. Please stand by. Please stand by. Please stand by. We interrupt your programming. This is a global emergency. Important details will follow. Regular programming has been discontinued during this emergency in order to transmit this broadcast to the public. This is 103.5 serving the Miami area. If you are not in the Miami area, you should now tune to a station providing news and information for your local area during this emergency. Most stations will remain on the air to provide news and information for the public in assigned areas. This is 103.5, serving the Miami area. You are now listening to the emergency alert system. The following message is transmitted at the request of the United States government and the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. This is not a test. To repeat, this is not a test. A global emergency has been declared. Please pay attention to this alert, as this is pertaining to a dark and unfortunate discovery made by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. It has just been discovered that the extremely deadly black hole that was discovered 8 hours ago is now extremely close to our universe. This black hole is expected to engulf the entire universe whole within the next 30 minutes. Once contact with this deadly black hole has been made, the entire universe will be compressed to the size of a grain of sand, and then in 10 seconds, the universe will be erased completely, wiping out all of existence. Residents of the United States are advised to carry out these instructions as doomsday arrives. Gather those that have a deep connection or relationship with you, such as family, loved ones, friends, and pets, and wait your final minutes of existence on this universe. The United States government has selected a verse of the Bible to be read on the air. John 3:16. For God so loved the world, that he gave his one and only Son, that whoever believes in him shall not perish, but have eternal life. We will conclude the final activation of the emergency alert system with one final playing of the national anthem from a representative of the United States government. Goodbye everyone. We hope to see each other in heaven. God bless the United States. God bless the planet. God bless the solar system. God bless the Milky Way galaxy. And God bless the entire universe. Maybe we will meet each other again in Antoher world. America will stand as one nation under God. This concludes our broadcast.
Hello everyone, this is Axel Gold here. I'm currently at my house. I just retired from my job, and I have some news for y'all. I'm sorry guys, but I'm sorry. I really hate to be the bearer of bad news, but our entire universe is coming to an end, to an extremely deadly black hole that was discovered by the National Aeronautics and Space Administration. I'm here with my family, but actually I'm not. My family died like 2 years ago. I know, it sucks. I'm all alone. Oh my gosh, no. Guys, I don't know if I'm gonna make it. Not everyone's gonna make it. I really don't feel like talking at all. All I want to do is go outside and spend my last few minutes of existence on this beautiful universe that God gave us. Goodbye, guys. I hope to see you all in the afterlife. This is Axel Goldsboro, signing off. Goodbye forever.